Hello everyone, this is Juhi Parashar, psychotherapist, the Cloud Door. Today this video is basically for husbands. It is basically for men who feel caught between the wife and the mother. Their constant fights, their constant quarrels are blowing up your mind, giving you a lot of stress. You are caught in a situation where you feel there is no way out. So this video is for you. I'm gonna give you some tips that will help you better deal with the situation, change your reaction to the overall situation, your perspective, and come out of it. So yeah, let's begin. It's a man's dream that his wife and his mother coexist in harmony, but it is unfortunately not always achieved because there's so many ego clashes happening and kind of a tug of war. So the person who is caught up in all of this is usually husband, because he doesn't know how to manage his mother and how to deal with his wife. So I'm going to give you some practical tips for that. So number one, don't blame one in front of the other. Never do that. So even if you feel that you find something which you need to pinpoint, don't do it when both of them are present. Do it separately. Talk to your mother separately, talk to your wife separately. But when they both are present, don't blame them in front of each other. Don't do that. Second, maintain a neutral tone of voice. If you have to get involved in a quarrel or argument, don't get loud yourself. Don't shout. Don't belittle anybody. Don't use any negative words. Don't badmouth. Try to refrain from that. That is going to make the situation worse. And आप ही तो लिंक हैं जो एक दूसरे के लिए रिस्पेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे. तो अगर आप ही ऐसे करेंगे तो कैसे होगा? Third thing, use your judgment. It's important. You are mature. You know. You're experiencing. So you know when to intervene, when not to. Think about it. If the situation doesn't require your participation, don't. For your peace of mind, don't. Because when there's no conclusion, when you're just getting caught up in between, what's the point of jumping into the situation? View it as an observer. Only participate when it is required. Use your judgment, because remember, you're walking on a tightrope. What is most important is do not encourage complaining. पहली बात, एक दूसरे से किसी की भी चुगली मत करो. मम्मी को वाइफ के सीक्रेट्स मत बताओ, वाइफ को मम्मी के सीक्रेट्स मत बताओ. And don't talk about the past. Be in the present. Okay? So don't encourage complaining, constant bickering of your wife or your mother. Don't do that, because that will only create a lot of disturbance for you, mental discomfort, unsettling emotions. You will feel there's no way out and you'll be very, very burdened. But if the situation is already created and they are in a habit of constantly telling you everything and complaining, just do this. आप एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकाल दो. Try not to be involved, not to get affected, because they are staying with you forever. So you have to take care of your mental health as well. Okay? So, and in last resort is that if you have tried everything, you have shouted, you have made them understand different perspective. आपने सबको बुला के बिठा के सब बात भी कर ली है, सब सॉर्ट भी किया है, काफ़ी बार किया, पर फिर भी it's going on, there's no way out. What you need to do? You need to change your reaction to the situation. ठीक है, आप सिचुएशन नहीं चेंज कर सकते, आप नहीं कर सकते शायद, तो अपना रिएक्शन चेंज करिए फॉर योर मेंटल पीस, राइट? तो इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग दैट दिस इज interpreting any quarrel or argument as a sign of hostility between them, or an ongoing forever battle, something which will never get over, and if you feel that they both hate each other, then it's gonna be really difficult for you. It will be a difficult time for you to get over this feeling and thought. So try to interpret it in a way which is more convenient for you. So you can say maybe just the way they talk and I can't do anything about it. So, something which gives your mind some peace, cools you down, and maybe help you deal with the situation better. So, yeah, try these tips, okay? And if it works out, great. And if there is something which is really bothering you, please reach out to me. I'm there to sort it out and talk about it. And obviously, I'm your therapist, so please reach out. Feel free. All the best.